Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your PlayStation 3 to Wi-Fi. First, power on your console and locate the XMB menu. From there, scroll to the left until you find the Settings column. Select Network Settings to access the connection options. This is the crucial first step to getting your console online and ready for gaming or media. Now let's get your PlayStation 3 connected wirelessly. When prompted, select the Easy Setup option. It simplifies the process significantly. Next, choose wireless as your preferred connection method. Your console will then scan for all available Wi-Fi networks nearby. This scan typically takes only a few seconds to complete, displaying a list of networks for you to choose from. Once the scan is complete, a list of Wi-Fi networks will appear. Carefully select your home network from this list. It's important to choose the correct one to ensure a successful connection. You will then be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password, also known as the WPA key. Type it in precisely, paying close attention to capitalization and special characters, then confirm your settings. After entering your password, a summary of your network settings will display. Take a moment to review these details to ensure everything looks correct. The final step is to perform an internet connection test. This test checks if your PlayStation 3 can successfully access the internet. A successful test means your console is now online and ready for all its network features, from online gaming to streaming content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.